Hello and welcome to Big Five Center. Here we are at an educational center where the environmental group are teaching us how to make briquettes and other stuff. I am your host, Ceci Simiyu, and welcome. The project that you see behind us is about planting flowers. Since from last year we had been rearing animals, and in the garden we have been planting sukuma wiki and spinach. Then we thought that to let us increase our knowledge in planting the flowers, we have the Chevrera, and we were told that in the balsam they need a lot of water so that they can be able to produce more and more. And most of the places that they grow as the cool and wet areas. For the hydrangea, they are planted in rooms. You can use it in your living room, in the office. They can survive indoors, unlike the balsam. Sometimes people use it as fencing. Sometimes people use it as a capturing site because they are so beautiful and they attract our eyes.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. This group, are you making briquettes? Yes, hurry up. We want to see how they are making the briquettes.
In the process of making briquettes, we have to first soak the paper because we don't use trees. We take tiny pieces of papers like of this type. We need a lot. It depends on the number of briquettes you want to make. Then we take the charcoal dust and we mix it with the papers that have been soaked for 3 to 4 days. We take them and form them around like this. Then we keep them in a dry place where they'll be able to dry. The people like them because they don't have a lot of smoke. We don't affect the environment of cutting trees because cutting trees has affected Kenya a lot. Because as we use papers and charcoal dust, we don't affect the environment.
I am the patron of Environmental Club here. We have also been able to educate the Environmental Club members on climatic change and also global warming and how to tackle them. And also we have been able to educate the community at large on how to take care of the environment for better or for future generation. Rachel and their colleagues
So we like them to participate because that makes them responsible also. They are able to work with their hands. That is the reality of life. We don't want to take them through cramming all the time. Not every child is a doctor. There are other things that children do after school. So that's why we are preparing them. This is now a foundation.
You should be watering the flowers.
And for those who are at home, I encourage them to do more farming, since farming can make our environment beautiful. To keep on planting many trees and stop cutting trees.
To put manure and some soil.
No, wait, excuse. Manure. This soil has its mother soil.
When I grow up, I like to advise people on how to keep the environment clean.
The environmental group have taught us how to make briquettes, how to plant flowers and how to plant onions, and there are other stuff they've taught us. And for more of these stories, log on to Big Five Center at YouTube.